That's where God wants to bless you. And by the time you come out, you'll be having something. The fight, how the devil fights. It comes to the church. You come on Sunday. I'm asking if you want to eat on your Sundays. How will you be? If you don't eat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you eat on the Sunday, how will you be? Am I understanding? God covered Jesus. He covered all his might and his glory. And the Father could not understand. And they kept those words in their hearts. The spirit, that angel came from him. And he came. But God was covered. By the time of his revelation, after the baptism, he was taken to the mountain. That's where the devil gets him from. If you're a son of God, command the stones to turn into food, because you are hungry. We need to understand the Bible because it has your solution.
Yes,
and the Bible, Jesus answered him by the word. The devil knows the Bible. You doesn't read the Bible. You deceive yourself that you have the Bible in your phone. By when you get a message, by the time you begin to read, a good message comes with the Bible. You cover the Bible, you look for a message. You see how the devil lies to us. When the preacher is he is also looking for different messages. The devil will lead you or will make you go astray. At night you will think, instead of meditating upon God. Let me talk to someone. Those are the things which we say. So all those people are in your phone. You don't have time for that storage. Is it true or not? Some people are also practicing masturbation through the phones and doing funny things. Will they go to heaven? The phone. Be careful with the phone. Am I speaking to anybody here? Why are we saying that we can go to heaven? That's the way Jesus showed us. The devil does all things to cause us to astray. The moment you read, another message comes. When you are reading, somebody calls. While you are still reading, you know where the phone calls are.